gonna show you how to replace a plastic handle, plastic grip on a Caravan Jockey Wheel. Sometimes they may be damaged, you know, during the usage. So in order to remove cap, you know, I use a screwdriver. Okay, you can bang it in and simply force it out. Okay. And now to remove old handle grip, you use pliers like this for circlips. Okay, stretch circlip out. You don't really want to reuse them because they are already bad once you stretch them. Okay, and this old one come off. Okay, and if you purchase it from us, you would get the whole set and a circlip as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Put the new one on. Put the circlips on the tooling like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now gently stretch. Pull it so it slots and sits nicely. Okay. Put the cap on. Now with rubber mallet, plastic mallets. Okay. You want to just bang it in on. If you don't have one, you can use hammer like this, but I recommend put maybe cloth over it so you don't scratch or damage
soften the blow a bit.
plastic. Yeah. And that's it.